Hey guys, this is Miss Pacheco, and today I'm going to walk you through the simple process of applying for 21st Century Scholars. Before June 30th, 2020, your 8th grade student has a chance to apply for 21st Century Scholars if your family's income meets the income eligibility requirements. A 21st Century Scholar can receive up to 4 years of paid tuition at an eligible Indiana public or private college, university, or proprietary institution. Again, the deadline to apply is by June 30th of this year, 2020. And now I will walk you through the process of applying online. So right now I am on the middle school's counseling department website. So we will go ahead and scroll down. And then there's a link for 21st Century Scholars. We'll go ahead and click on that. And so from here, we are on the 21st Century Scholars website, which goes through Learn More Indiana. So this will be your resource for applying for 21st Century Scholars, for looking at income requirements, and having that handy link for Scholar Track, which is where you actually go in and apply for 21st Century Scholars. So students can enroll in either their 7th or 8th grade year, but they have to enroll by June 30th of the end of their 8th grade year in order to see if they meet the qualifications. If you have a student who is in the foster care system, students will automatically be enrolled in 21st Century Scholars. Most caseworkers will go ahead and put students into 21st Century Scholars as soon as they enter into their 7th or 8th grade year. So if your caseworker hasn't taken care of that, then they can go ahead and do that for you. We will go ahead and scroll down. The biggest indicator for a student being accepted into 21st Century Scholars is looking at your household annual income. So you'll see on the left-hand side, anywhere from a 2-person household all the way up to 7 or more people living in your household. And then looking at the maximum annual income. So if you have a 4-person household, the maximum annual income you can take in per year is $47,638. And this is something that the state updates every year, but these are the current income requirements. And then if we continue scrolling down to submit an application, so it's really important that before you go online to submit your application, that you have your student's social security number handy, your social security number handy, and then your previous year gross income handy. So since you will be applying in 2020, you will be looking at your 2019 income for this. So the other important thing is making sure that parents, you have a valid email address, and this will be the email that you use to not only complete the application, but you will receive word on if your student was accepted or denied into the program. So we will go up here to Scholar Track. And then I already have an educator login, but for parents, you will go down here and go down to register for an account. And then you will be choosing an account type. So you will be selecting parent. And then from here, you'll continue the process step by step to not only create an account. From there, you will receive an email to verify that your account is linked to that email. And then from there, you can go step by step and complete the actual 21st Century Scholars application. So again, just once you are verified in the system, just making sure, again, you have your 2019 income handy, as well as your student's social security number. Once you submitted an application, you will receive an email to the parent or guardian email address that you used to apply with, and then you will receive confirmation if your student was accepted or denied into the program. Guys, it really is that simple. Should you have any questions about applying or if internet access is an issue, please email me directly at my email highlighted on the screen, and I will gladly help out. Thank you and have a great day.